I broke, but I'm still breathing. Tears fell, but I kept dreaming. Your shadow fades, the light is near. I lost you, but I found me here. I tried to hide the cracks inside, but snow can't cover every lie. The wind still calls, the hurt still shows. Get through the storm, still I glow. A heart once frozen starts to sing. I lost myself but found my wings.
You've probably seen them, AI music videos of real characters, animated girls lip-syncing emotional songs, racking up millions of views on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Just like this channel, with only 100 videos uploaded on their channel, they have managed to get over 150,000 subscribers. And when we check their most popular videos, they are getting millions of views. They look professional, they feel emotional, and they are everywhere. But here's the twist. Most of them weren't made by big studios. They were made by solo creators using free AI tools in their bedrooms. This is one of the biggest faceless video opportunities happening right now, and I want you to take advantage of it before it gets oversaturated. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. No camera, no mic, no editing skills, just your creativity and a few smart prompts. You are not learning just a trick, you are unlocking a whole system. The same process powering faceless creators' viral growth and monetization today. Step number 1 is generating lyrics that hit emotionally. Why is this step important? In AI lip sync videos, emotion is everything. People scroll fast, and what stops them is feeling. Your lyrics are the emotion core of the video. They are what makes viewers pause, feel something, and share the content. If you have the lyrics, you can skip this part. But if you are like me, who use ChatGPT to generate short, impactful, scroll-stopping lyrics, think of them like emotional snapshots or mini poems. They should be relatable, catchy, and simple enough to understand in one pass. Now, here is something that I want you to keep in mind. Focus on universal themes like heartbreaking, healing, friendship, nostalgia, or hope. This resonates best with most audiences. Now, once we are on ChatGPT, I have already prepared a prompt that you can use. All you have to do is copy it and tweak it to your preference. Just go to the description of this tutorial and copy the first prompt. Once copied, just paste it into ChatGPT. Now, go through this prompt and tweak it according to the type of emotion and song that you were looking for. Once that is done, just hit enter and allow ChatGPT to provide you with those impactful lyrics that you can use in your next step. ChatGPT is done. I asked for only 4 to 6 short lines, so make sure you give it your specific instructions based on what you are creating. Step number 2 is turning your lyrics into AI music using Suno AI. A strong melody gives your lyrics life. It elevates them from words to an actual emotional experience. This is where the magic starts to feel real, and the best part, you don't need to compose anything yourself. Just head over to Suno AI and sign up with your email or Google account. Once you log in, just click on create. If simple is selected, make sure you change it to custom and paste in the lyrics that ChatGPT has generated for you. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics and paste them in Suno. From there, we scroll down and select the style of our music. We can type in something simple like lo-fi, bedroom pop in that line, and cinematic. Once that is done, all we have to do is cut the song title and paste it here. Once that is done, we just click on create. Suno will generate 2 versions of your songs. Let's play the first one to hear how it sounds.
I broke, but I'm still breathing. Tears fell, but I kept dreaming. Your shadow fades, the light is near. I lost you, but I found me here.
Okay, that's just so amazing. Let's listen to the second one.
I broke, but I'm still breathing. Tears fell, but I kept dreaming. Your shadow fades, the light is near. I lost you, but I found me here. One step, one smile, I start again.
Okay, let me know which one you would use if it were you. I really love both of these songs, how they sound and the emotion attached to them. So if you want your song to be longer, just make sure that you include that in your prompt. For this tutorial's example, we'll select this one. So we just come to these three dots at the end and we'll come to download and we'll download as an MP3 audio file. Now, most of the questions that I usually get is, can I monetize this song on YouTube? If you want to get the full rights to monetize the song on YouTube, you can simply upgrade to Suno, which only costs about $10 per month to get the pro plan or $30 per month to get a premium plan. I feel and think a pro plan can be something worth trying out, which only costs $10. And once the song is downloaded, step number 3 is creating a stunning character image using a free alternative, Leonardo AI. Now, your visual character is the face of your content. The better the face, the higher the click-through rate and rotation. It's what makes your video feel human, even though it's fully AI generated. Once we are on Leonardo AI, we just select Launch App because we already have an account. If you do not have an account, just sign up and we click on Image. We delete this prompt which is there, and from here I have prepared another prompt just for you. All you have to do is go to the description of this video and copy the second prompt. This prompt is for image generation. Once you copy that prompt, come back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt in ChatGPT and hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide a specific prompt that you can use to generate an image in Leonardo AI. Just copy the prompt that ChatGPT generates for you. I felt this was necessary to use ChatGPT generate a prompt for us based on the song that we have so that we avoid generating the same image or character. Once copied, just paste it into Leonardo. I think on the model, just select Flux Context to get that high quality. And on the resolution, for this example, we'll just choose a 9:16 as our aspect ratio. From there, we'll just close this tab and hit create. This is just so beautiful. I love how this character looks and everything about it. Look at the details. They are just so beautiful and everything is just to the point. We can add some extra editing here. That's if we would love to do that. If you want your character to be a 3D character, what you can simply do is tell ChatGPT to change your prompt from a realistic character to a 3D character. And ChatGPT will simply do that for you. Just copy the prompt, come back to Leonardo and paste the prompt here and hit create. If you get a pop-out message that generation failed, just try a different model unlike Flux. Or if Leonardo is not your best option, you can try Flux Context in OpenAI and it will generate those realistic 3D characters for you. From there, all you have to do is download the image. Now, step number 4 is animating our characters. I prefer animating my images than lip syncing them later, unlike just lip syncing them from an image. I rarely get results that I'm fully happy with. So we'll try both a free image to video generator and a paid image to video generator. Let's start with a free one. So for the free plan, the tool that we're going to use is HeyGen. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, HeyGen allows you to only create 3 free videos per month. If you want to be creating consistent videos, you may need to invest something, which can start from $29 per month. Once we're on HeyGen, we select photo to video with AI avatar. Now, here what we're going to do is upload our image. Now, here we need to upload an audio file, but the audio file we're supposed to upload has to be 15 seconds or less. So just trim our audio a little bit and just click on add audio. Once the audio is added, describe the gestures and the facial expression that you want. We'll say a beautiful girl singing a heartfelt song with a guitar and click on generate video. Now, a paid tool that we can use is OpenAI. Let's just close this tab. All we have to do is upload our image here. Once the image is uploaded, we paste in a prompt that describes what our character is doing. We select the duration to be 10 seconds, and we select the quality mode to be Pro, and here we add some negative prompts, and on the model here, just select any model that you feel will be suitable. I'll leave it to Clean 2.1. Once that is done, just click on Create. So this is the video that we've just generated in OpenArt AI. It has no lyrics or sound to it, just an animated video. Now we need to lip sync it. Download it and come to DreamFace AI. Just come to AI Tools and select Video Lip Sync. From there, select Create Avatar. From there, upload your video. Close this tab and select the video. Once the video is selected, just click on Audio, click on Upload Audio, choose from device and select the full audio that you've generated in Suno. From there, just click on Generate. So this is the video that we've lip synced in DreamFace AI. Let's play it to hear the way it sounds. Where she's playing the guitar, there's that hand movement, and she's quiet, meditating on the rhythm.
I broke, but I'm still breathing. Tears fell, but I kept dreaming. Your shadow fades, the light is near. I lost you, but I found me.
And the lip sync, it's just so amazing. Okay, let's try the one that we've just generated in Heijen. She's just into the song.
I broke, but I'm still breathing.
Okay, the lip sync is on point. Tell me which one generated the best results. I would love to hear from you. So let's download them into our PC. Step number 5 is adding caption for engagement and watch time using any AI tool of your choice. Now, caption boosts retention. Viewers often watch without sounds, especially on mobile. Adding dynamic or on-beat lyrics helps people follow the song and connect more deeply. It also increases the chance they will watch to the end or rewatch the video. And here all we have to do is upload our video file. Once we upload it, it automatically changes the aspect ratio. So all we have to do is drag it to the timeline, and from there select caption. From there select auto lyrics and click on generate lyrics. And your lyrics will be generated. Once they are generated, all I ask is place them somewhere here close to the hand or the mouth. Increase the size a little bit, and from there change the font style. Just come to template, whilst the captions are still selected, and choose any template of your choice. A template that will suit the videos you are creating. Maybe something that is glowing, or maybe something that is just popping up to the screen. Go with something that is readable, that anyone can see and understand. Okay, I'll go for this template. Once selected, let's play to hear the way it sounds.
I broke, but I'm still breathing. Tears fell, but I kept dreaming. Your shadow fades, the light is near. I lost you, but I found me here.
Okay, so we can do a lot of edit with our text. Once we select it, whilst this icon is checked, you can scroll down a little bit and play with the shadow, the background, the glowing of your text, adding some curves, changing the font color, and aligning your text. Once you're done, you have a repeatable workflow that you can use to build a personal brand for your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or any suggestions. I would really love to respond and hear from you. From here, God bless you. See you in this next amazing tutorial.